Hi everyone, welcome to level 14. So in this level, we focus on, so now we learn all the concept, whatever is required, how the application work, how the software product is actually built. Now we need to create our resume. So far, whatever skills we learn, how we can sell in the market. So that's the main idea here, okay? So we focus building your resume and cover letter, essential tools for landing your first business analyst job. So this worksheet demo for our crash course for aspiring business analyst. Here, why resume and cover letter is important? Because resume is your advertisement, right? So the main goal is to shortlist it. If shortlisted, you will get calls, right? So this is the key point. We should be master on this one also. Okay, so we'll go 30 worksheets, how to pretty much you will master it. Like you get the job description, JD, and you know what need to tweak, and based on the company. And instead of you send thousands resume, you send few resumes, and getting a callback ratio probability is more when you master this one. Okay, so your resume helps to get solicited interviews, and your cover letter helps you get noticed. Okay, so as a business analyst, it's not enough to list tools. You must highlight your skills, projects, and the impact you made. So this is how hiring managers see your potential. So next slide is a strong BA, like this the structure, right? So a strong BA resume has 5 key sections. First, professional summary that briefly introduce you, right? Like after reading your professional summary, then recruiter will decide whether I should proceed or not, right? So that's like kind of a mini trailer. Next, your core BA skills. So we will write, because employees are looking, they know what task they need to do, and next section they will look for the skills. So you give quick intro and you move on to BA skills. Then project experience showing. So how did you gather this? What experience you have, right? So skills. You said this is what I am, and these are the skills I have, and this is my experience, right? List the tools and technologies you use. Next, the tools and technologies, and your education to qualify this one. Okay, this is the structure we'll be using. So worksheet here we'll use. In this worksheet, we practice building entry-level business analyst resume, or like a senior level. I would say we can apply not the lead level. We can apply if you have kind of a domain knowledge, and we can apply senior business analyst. We can apply. I would, why I'm saying entry level, if you never worked on a project, okay, so you're coming from marketing, you are coming from fashion design, or you are coming accounting, so that's your entry level, right? So that's what. Otherwise, if you have a domain knowledge, you kind of have a documentation, and you help UAT those, you can apply for senior business analyst. Okay, so we'll practice write 3-line BA summary, convert what you learned during course intro, concrete project experience, list tools you use throughout the learning journey. Okay, so pretty much this is what the employee is looking for. So we'll learn how to write based on the job description. So sample examples, right? Gathered and document requirement for project, right? So what you did, created user story acceptance criteria, and we'll decorate this one. Okay, so important, not the decorating the resume, like you should be able to confidentially talk. Some interviews, like 5 people will be there in the room, 10 people will be there, 3 people will be there. They will literally print worksheets, like write SQL commands, write users. I don't know. I never heard like write user story, but I heard like I got this, and like write SQL commands. Like they will give the whiteboard and you have to write it. Like entire team will be there. So it's not a joke, guys. So you have to be master on this one. Like whatever you have put it in the resume, on the resume. So you should be able to talk confidently. So that's why we are building this practices. Okay. So don't worry, like you're going to work on a real agile environment. Like we'll have a scrum board and you'll give update and you'll go all agile ceremonies and from code to development. Okay, so you'll see everything in practical and you'll do again and again and again 30 times. So you should be able to explain. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so the building your sample um, resume here. So next one, cover letter. So I want to talk cover letters. Your compliment your resume, right? You should explain you why you are interested in this role. So how your skill match the job requirement and value you can bring to them. So even a short, well-structured cover letter make. So by this point, you should be able to write nice cover letter. It's not like essays, right? So you will write, you read the job description and you should be able, because that's what we're starting with. That's why first you will understand something, you should be able to document. So your main job is making summaries. That's what we are documenting from level 1, right? Like write the steps, write the test cases. That's the practice I want to give you guys. So I think if you reach this level, yeah, you should be able to do this one. So next one, very, very important. Keep your resume clear and simple and focused on the role you are applying for. Highlights project more than theory. Recruiters care about what you are actually done. Tailoring your resume and cover letters for each application improves your changes getting interviews, right? So main job is we need to provide a sample, right? You are going to supermarkets before you buy a product. You would like to read the reviews. Then you would like to, if there is a sample you would like to try, right? So our main job, our main goal is during this practice, creating samples, right? Like you should have value to share, right? When you have, first you have knowledge, then knowledge you will convert into skills, then you can, by practicing you convert to skills, then from the skills you can create value. So main goal is you are like a business, so you will provide values, end up this all 13 levels, and main point like how to document those. So that's what you're going to learn here. So our final lap here, level 15, so you almost reached. You learn necessary skills, application site, and how to work with people. Now you learn how to write your advertisement, right? Like your job posting, your own job posting, right? Like resume and cover letters. So final steps, like the BA role is, any role is, how do you convincing people? The interview is not like, I would say like you are lucky or not lucky. You pass all the levels. Now next level is just convincing people, right? You're going to meet real people. So here you should be mastering like mock interviews, like based on your project in the level 15. Okay, I'll see you guys with the demo level 15. Thank you.